अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 13 से शुरू करेंगे जहाँ से हमने ख़त्म किया था। लैंग्वेज लर्निंग। अ लैंग्वेज, मोर प्रोबेबली द लैंग्वेज अदर देन मदर टंग, इज़ लर्न। यानी कि एक ऐसी ज़बान जो अपनी माधुरी भाषा नहीं होती है, उससे सीखना पड़ता है। इट इन्वॉल्व्स ह्यूमन एफर्ट्स। इसमें इंसान की मेहनत लगती है। इट इज़ नॉट नेचुरल, ये नेचुरल नहीं होती। द ह्यूमन बींग्स हैव टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज विथ सम एक्सटर्नल पर्पस। कुछ बाहरी वजहों की वजह से इंसान को ये लैंग्वेज सीखनी पड़ती है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इफ़ एन उर्दू स्पीकर person goes to Tamil Nadu while Tamil language is spoken, his mother tongue cannot help him, so he needs to learn Tamil. The same is true with any other language than this mother tongue. The second or third language is always learned. Differentiate or distinguish between लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन एंड लैंग्वेज लर्निंग। डिफ्रेंशिएट का मतलब होता है फ़र्क करना। लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन, मदर टंग, नेटिव लैंग्वेज और फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज इज़ एक्वायर्ड। लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन इज़ अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस, इट इज़ इनवॉलेंटरी प्रोसेस। There is no previous knowledge of any language. A mind of a learner is like an empty vessel. सीखने वाले का माइंड खाली बर्तन की तरह होता है जिसमें हम लैंग्वेज वगैरह भरते हैं। लैंग्वेज लर्निंग, a second or third language is learned. Language is learned through instructions. It is a voluntary process. The learner already knows the first language or mother tongue. A mind of a learner is already filled with knowledge of previous language. Changing to page number 14. Communicative approach to English language. During 18th, 19th and first half of the 20th century, India was ruled over by British, whose mother tongue was English. Those who wanted to get education had to opt for English for getting better government jobs, studying abroad, or to communicate with the rulers at par. For a past period of time, to communicate with the ruler at par. For a vast period of time, to methods of learning and teaching. Teaching language were prevalent का मतलब होता है मुतवज्जा। Here method of learning and teaching English were prevalent. Here one was very infamous translation method and the other was grammar drill method. The next book were having English words with their meanings in vernacular, यानी कि मुकामी language. Apart from that, the students were busy in learning rule of grammar in the class. This made learning English a boring experience for learners. This situation could not nurture का मतलब है परवरिश healthy atmosphere for developing proficiency महारत in English. प्रोफिशिएंसी का मतलब होता है महारत in English. It was repeatedly educated that the proficiency could be had by getting practical practice of all the basic skills of language. Basically, there are 5 basic skills of learning language. They are listening, speaking, reading, writing, conversation. The 5th skill is based on the first 2 skills, namely listening and speaking. In fact, the above skills can be further understood with the help of the following receptive and expressive components of communicative approach. यानी कि जो 5वीं स्किल है वो पहले 2 स्किलों पे निर्भर करती है, जैसे कि सुनना और बोलना.